Yeah, thank you, David and Korak, for the wonderful session. Yeah, let me share my screen and show you the different models. Hope you can see my screen.
Yeah, we can.
So in terms of models, we have a capturing side first.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in the hardware side, we have four different models, and all the models are natively supported by a 4K video resolution. And the basic box is the Myris Box Mini, which is ideal for a standard classroom, which supports two video inputs with 250 GB storage. And the Myris Box Plus is ideal for a large seminar halls and surgery recording application where we require to connect multiple video inputs. It can simultaneously record up to 6 video inputs as well. And Myris Net Capture is a on-premises solution based on the number of simultaneous recordings in a particular university. And Myris DIO is a software license, can be installed in a recommended hardware so that we can avoid the cost from the implementation of the encoding side. So these are all four different variants in the hardware side. And in terms of Web Studio, as David explained earlier, we can directly do the recording from the browser itself. So all the rich media, dynamic rich media features will be applicable here. All we require is to just open our browser and using the single sign-on, we can do the recording through the browser itself, and it will be automatically saved in our media server as well. So this is all the 5 different flavors in the capturing side. And we have a Nudges video platform where, as David explained earlier, these are some of the important features I listed again here, like Zoom recording integration and creating a videos through the browser, automatic indexing, video subtitling, and audio track. So once the recording is completed, even we can record multiple language audio tracks, and we can upload it to the existing video as well. And the custom application language is the entire application can be customized in our local state languages as well. This is another important feature of the video platform. And this are some of the plans which we created for in the deployment option in the public cloud, starting from the 25 simultaneous user up to 1000 simultaneous user. We have different cloud subscription models, and all the models are depend on number of the simultaneous viewers. So here you can see, and also we do have a private cloud and on-premises model, which is unlimited simultaneous viewers and the storage. Depends on the hardware and the bandwidth on the customer side as well.
Yeah, Satya, before you move forward, I think there was a question from Sudhir who asked, is there a limitation in terms of number of students who can watch it live when you stream?
Yeah, so there is no limitation of the registration of the number of viewers, but of course, when it comes to simultaneous viewers, it is limited to the different plans as we mentioned here.
Simultaneous viewers of the videos, right? Not of the stream, live stream.
Live streaming also, it applicable same.
Okay. So, Mr. Sudhir, there are two models. So you can go for the hosted model, which is on a public cloud, or you can go for an on-premises or a private cloud kind of deployment. In the on-premises model, there is no limitation. In the hosted model, obviously, there are limitations in terms of number of simultaneous viewers who can see the stream. And there was, yeah, okay, yeah, carry on.
Yeah. And this is the overall integration diagram for your understanding. Here you can see, as I said earlier, we have on the production side, can have a Myris range of products on the capturing, or you can use any third-party encoders like Extron, Encast, or Crestron. The third option is bring your own device. We can use our computer to do the recording through the browser. And also another important factor, we can upload our existing older videos into our platform, and we can integrate third-party LMS like Moodles, and all these features will be combinedly in the Nudges platform. You can have the dynamic rich media through the interactive player. And once the students can log in, either they can see the live or on-demand video in the delivery session. This is the entire workflow of this production and delivery side from the media server.
Okay, Satya, here there was one more question from Adya Chandresh Kantilal. So he was asking whether it will work with a VC platform or an MCU.
So right now we have integrated with the Zoom video platform. So once we do that, all the Zoom videos will be recorded videos will be automatically uploaded to our platform. So the recorded videos they can watch directly from our NetGears platform. And shortly we will on other clouds collaboration.
I think
However,
Adya's,
if you let me take this one, we have had in the past hardware integration where the video conferencing system is registered as one of the multiple sources being recorded, or a split signal from video and content screen from your video conferencing codec. The Zoom and Teams integrations are directly for the cloud systems. I think that this person was mainly asking about a video conferencing system that is on-premise, which, yes, we can split the signal for video and content, and yes, your video, your final result video will be indexed and enriched with all of the Ubicast benefits.
okay. Satya, back to you.
Yeah. So on the role of ANT, we directly gather the requirement from you and we design the solution and doing the demonstration. And more importantly, we train the customers or partners and help them to deploy and customize the entire solution as well. And also, since we are deploying all this in an Indian cloud and we have the local support here as well. So it's the entire cycle for you.